How to delete Facebook account on Android or iOS. Hey everybody, if you want to permanently delete a Facebook account, this video will show us exact steps on Android on iPhone. So once deleted, everything is gone. So watch till the end. So we can open up the Facebook app and directly look out for the menu option, usually in the top right corner. And once we do so, we can go to settings option and open it up. And within here, we can tap on account center. And the thing you need to understand is deletion is permission. We get 30 days to cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the account plus data are gone forever. So within here, we can look out for this option for to personal details. Just tap on personal details. And then once we've tapped on it, we can tap on this option called account ownership and control, where we can manage our data, modify our legally contact, deactivate or delete our accounts and profile. Tap on it and directly look out for this option for deactivation or deletion. Now, once we are here, we can directly follow up the process. Tap on your Facebook profile. And within here, we can select the option of delete account, the second option, which is very permanent, as I said earlier. So tap on continue. And when you do this, all of your main accounts will be created. Also, you'll lose access to the following, such as your pages, your, groups that you've created. You can just go over and confirm that up. You can cut your profile information as well. Those will also be deleted. So tap on continue if you're okay with it. After that is done, what we need to do is we need to select a reason why would we like to delete our account. So I can select one reason and tap on continue. After that is done, you can tap on continue with deletion. And there, what we need to do is scroll to the page. You can look out for the data, etc. You can download it before doing so, export the info, and tap on continue. And at the very last, we just need to enter our password and confirm it up. And now your account will be scheduled for deletion. You can just go over and do so. Before deleting, we can remove the linked application, save photos and memories as well. And that should probably work out for you. But usually that's how we delete our Facebook account. So if this video helped, like, share, and follow. And thank you for watching this video.